Hello lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious RGK. I hope everything is fine with you and your family. I hope you're having a nice time and I hope you're smiling as you're watching this video. On this channel, I do a lot of DIY natural hair care videos. I'll show you how to grow your hair using your own ingredient in the kitchen. I'm also into skincare products. All my videos are natural and you can do all of them at the comfort of your home. There are no chemical added in all my videos. They are all natural products. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this super amazing rice water recipe. This rice water recipe is super effective. This is not your regular rice water recipe, guys. This rice water is called the Yawo Women rice water recipe. This one is super effective. Like I said before, if you have been trying rice water before or other products and you have not been having results, this one will certainly give you massive results. This one will make your hair to grow long. The Yahoo women have one of the longest hair on record. Their hair is long, dark, and beautiful. And this is one of their secrets in keeping this, in growing this long hair. It is the rice water recipe. To prepare this rice water recipe, guys, all you need is your rice. For this video, I'm using 2 cups of rice and I'll be using 2 orange. So I will wash my orange and peel. I already peel my orange and that is the peel as you can see on the video. So I will wash my rice to get rid of that. I'll wash it properly to remove any form of dirt or other impurities because we don't need impurities in this particular recipe. So after I have washed the rice, I will throw away or dispose the water as you can see me doing on this video. Then I'll pour in another water. For this particular 2 cups of rice, guys, I usually use 3 to 4 glass water, but because I have been doing this recipe, so I'm using eye gauge. So you wash your rice with your palm by rubbing it in between your palm to extract all the content of the rice. When you notice a cloudy color, that is milk color, that the water has turned milky, then you sieve it into another pot as you can see me doing on this video. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't also forget to like, comment and share this video if you find it helpful, and also don't forget that your girl here, Precious RGK, is very grateful to you guys, for I will not be here without you. Thank you for always finding time to come and watch my video. Thank you for always coming to visit my channel. Thank you for always liking, thank you for commenting, and thank you for sharing all my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you and God bless you, and remember, I love you. So when you're done separating your water from your rice, you bring in your orange peel and wash. Make sure you wash your orange peel also to get rid of any form of dirt, and you pour it in your rice water. Then you cover your pot of rice water because you're going to heat on a low heat. Remember guys, you are heating on a low heat because we don't want to we don't want to destroy all the ingredients in our all the nutrients of our rice water. So you're going to heat on a low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. You can see it now. This is at the end of 20 minutes. And when you're done heating it, you bring it down and allow it to cool on a room temperature. Yes, you're allowing it to cool on a, please guys, I didn't ask you to put it in fridge. I said allow it to cool on a room temperature. So when it is ready, you then separate your orange peel from your rice water as you can see me doing on this video. Guys, rice water is very beneficial to our head as it helps to detangle our hair. It makes our hair to be smoother. It creates hair shine. It makes our hair to grow stronger, help our hair to grow longer and faster. Orange peel, on the other hand, is also very effective as it is rich in vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Orange peel help in fighting dandruff, aid in hair growth, improve blood circulation, which also prevent hair breakage. And so after separating your orange peel from your rice water. You put some quantity of orange peel on the bottle that you want to store it, as you can see me doing on this video. And when you're done, you pour your rice water in the container, that is the bottle that you already put the orange peel. I'm using two container, guys. So this is the second container. I'm using a bottle and a container. So I'll also put orange peel inside this one. Then I will cover it and set it aside. You can see my orange water, my rice water, and yes, these are my rice water. So I'm going to store them in a cool, dark place. The Yahoo women store their own in a dark place. So for me, I'll be storing my own in my Kenji closet. So you leave it for a minimum of 4 days. Some Yahoo women leave their own up to 4 months, up to 1 month even. But for me, I usually leave my own for 2 weeks before I will start using it. You can see this is my 4 days rice water. Wow. This is my rice water on the second week. You see, yes, this is there's a little change in it. You can see the fermented under the bottle. Ha. So the purpose of leaving it for this days, that 4 days, 4 weeks or 2 weeks, is you allow it to ferment. So after you have after your rice water is fermented, me, I normally use my own, as I said, on the second week. So I will now apply it. To apply this, you part your hair, because you need to apply this recipe on your scalp and on your hair from the root to the tip. So this is my daughter. I'm applying it on her hair. As you can see me doing on this video, I cut the hair, I section the hair into 4 parts so that the rice water can sink in the hair, sink deep in the scalp. Now you massage it. You can see how I'm massaging it. You see, you massage it upward so that the hair can grow. When you're done massaging, you can see I already massaged the rice water all over the hair. You can see how the hair is. Wow. And then when you're done massaging, you cover the hair for, I usually cover my own for 1 hour, guys, but you can leave your own for 30 minutes, but I cover my own for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I will wash it off with a mild shampoo. Guys, please, it's mild shampoo I normally use in washing my own. Then when I'm done washing it, I will clean my hair or dry my hair with a towel. And when I'm done drying it, I'll rub any of my hair essential oil. I normally rub my fat hair growth oil. The video is also on this channel. The oil I made with ginger and cloves. So that's what I rub after washing my hair. Then I'll comb my hair and style it any way, any choice of mine. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the notification icon, and also don't forget to share, like, and share this video, as it means so much to you get here. Like I said before, I am very grateful. Thank you for always coming to my channel. Thank you, and God bless you. I love you.